Oh, wait. I'm ridiculous. I thought I couldn't. It looked like I couldn't. Dudes, I'm like a giant derp. I like how I'm talking about school and how I want to learn everything and how I'm actually really smart and I just do like stupid shit like that. Ah! Get the barrier down, 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 down. Get that barrier down, down, down. We want to win this game. Could you imagine having that in real life? Look at him run! Habanero hot. A VR horror game? Ah! Yes! I want to play that! Extreme fishing! Excuse me. While I catch this demon fish. What? What? Pew 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 pew. Come on! This looks cute. Oh! Oh my god, he's so cute! Ah! Go swimming, boy! No! I want to look at his face, even though he's an animated character! There you go. Somebody tell me what the song is. I'm loving it.
Can't enjoy the doors isn't open. Ready? Going for it.
Jump! 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 Fuck! What? What? Ah! Oh, it just lets go and chomps me up. Okay. Oh. Ah! Ah! Oh, right. He's a zombie. Oh, fuck! I forgot! No! No!
Hey boys, let's make this a quick loss.
We are why do I play this game?
I play to win.
Look at this fucking comp. I hate them! Yeah, good! Ah! Ah!
Complete. Score 3-0. Switching.
Ah! I'm done! I'm done! I'm done! I'm done!
Are you fat?
What?
Are you fat?
Guess how much I weigh.
120?
30 seconds.
Less.
Okay, how tall are you?
How tall am I? 5'3".
Like 110?
Ding ding ding!
See, I knew it. You are fat.
5, 4, 3, 2. Well.
Leave us out of